Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how the internet changed our world? Well, buckle up because we're taking a fun trip through time. So picture this, it's the 1960s. No smartphones, no tablets, no internet. Sounds like the Stone Age, right? Back then, computers were huge and could only do simple tasks. But all that changed in 1969 when scientists created ARPANET. Think of it like a baby version of the internet. It connected four computers and allowed them to share info. Fast forward to the 1980s. Personal computers started popping up in homes, but the real game changer was the World Wide Web, invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. He made it super easy for people to find and share information. Imagine life without Google. By the 1990s, the internet was booming. Email became a thing, and people started exploring websites. Social media, like MySpace and later Facebook, made it easy to connect with friends. And let's not forget YouTube. It launched in 2005 and changed how we watch videos forever. Today, the internet is everywhere. It's in our pockets, on our wrists, and even in our fridges. It helps us learn, play, and stay in touch with friends and family around the world. There are even cool tools like virtual reality and AI. So next time you watch your favorite videos or play online games, remember it all started with a few scientists and some big dreams. The internet changed our world in amazing ways. And who knows what awesome tech is coming next. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.